MS Paint Drawing Tools. Paint window. Let us look at the different parts of the MS Paint window. Drawing a line. Click the Line tool. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Click and drag the mouse to draw a line. Drawing a thick line. Click the Line tool. Click on the desired option in the options box. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag the mouse. Drawing straight horizontal and vertical lines. Click the Line tool. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Hold down the Shift key while clicking and dragging the mouse. Move the mouse up and down and sideways. Drawing a red color line. Click the Line tool. Click the red color in the color box. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag the mouse. Curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw curves. Drawing a curve.
Follow these steps to draw a curve. Click on the Curve tool in the Shapes group of the Home tab.
Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Click and drag the mouse to draw a line. Click where we want the arc of the curve to be, and then drag to adjust the curve.
Polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons. Polygons are shapes with 3 or more sides. With this tool, you can draw only one side of the polygon at a time. Follow these steps to draw a polygon. Click on the Polygon tool in the Shapes group of the Home tab. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse pointer changes to a cross. Select the desired line color from the color box. The default color is black. Click where the polygon is to be started. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to form the first side of the polygon. Start drawing the next side from the point where you finished drawing the previous side.
Repeat the above step for the rest of the sides, except the last side. To draw the last side, just double-click the left mouse button.
Rounded rectangle tool.
Rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles with rounded corners.
Follow these steps to draw a rectangle with rounded corners. Click the Rounded Rectangle tool in the Shapes group of the Home tab. Select the line color from the Colors palette. Here, the line color is green. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Click and drag the left mouse button. The rectangle being drawn is seen alongside the mouse pointer. Fill in color. You can color the pictures drawn in Paint using the options shown here. 1. Colors group. 2. Fill with color tool. 3. Color picker tool. However, to be able to color the pictures drawn in Paint, you need to first understand the difference between closed and open figures. You also need to understand how to use options in the colors group effectively.
Closed figure. Any figure that is closed from all sides without any gap is a closed figure.
For example, a rectangle made using the rectangle tool in the shapes group is a closed figure. You can fill color in a closed figure as the color will not spill over onto the rest of the drawing area.
Open figure.
Any figure that is open from any side or has a gap is an open figure. If you draw a rectangle using the pencil tool in the tools group, there may be gaps between the different lines. If you try to fill color in an open figure, the entire drawing area gets colored. Understanding colors group. What fun are pictures without colors? To color the pictures you draw in paint, use the colors given in the colors group. We edit colors option in the colors group opens a palette of colors where you can make a new color from the options available. In the colors group, you will notice two color boxes, color 1 and color 2. Color 1 indicates the current color, that is the foreground color, and color 2 is background color. Let us learn how to use the color boxes. Color 1. To use the foreground color, click on it and select a color from the colors group. This color is useful while using pencil, brushes, text lines and borders of shapes. Color 2. To use the background color, click on it and select the color from the colors palette. This color is used with eraser and for shape fills. After selecting color 1 and color 2, you can draw colored images. To do so, follow these steps. Click on color 1 and select a color of your choice from the colors palette, say red. Click on color 2 and select another color from the colors palette, say yellow. Select any closed shape from the shapes group. Bring the pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag the mouse to draw the outline of the shape with the foreground color and fill the filled shape with the background color.
Fill with color tool. The Fill with Color tool is used for filling color in a closed figure. Draw a closed figure, say a rectangle. Click on the Fill with Color tool.
Click on color 1 and select a color from the colors palette. This is your foreground color. Click color 2 and select a color from the colors palette. This is your background color.
Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area.
Click or right-click the rectangle to fill it with foreground or background color respectively. Color Picker tool. The Color Picker tool helps us to pick a color from one part of the drawing and fill the same color in the other part of the drawing. Click on the Color Picker tool in the Tools group of the Home tab. Click on the color in the picture which you want to pick. This color would be selected to fill in. Notice the color change of the color 1 box. As soon as the color is selected, the Color Picker icon changes to Fill with Color tool icon. Click on the desired area of the picture to fill it with the color picked. Some more tools in Paint. Following are some more tools given in Paint. Magnifier tool.
We may want to see a part of a drawing more closely.
Using this tool, we can zoom in or out of your drawing.
To zoom in, just click on the part of the drawing we want to zoom into.
To zoom out, right-click on the part of drawing we want to zoom out of.
Selection tools. We can copy and paste a part of a picture using the selection tools. There are two kinds of selection tools.
Using rectangular selection, draw any shape, say a circle. Take the help of the oval tool. Click on the select tool. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross. Click and drag the mouse to select the rectangular area you want to copy. A dotted rectangle now appears and the mouse pointer changes to a cross with 4 arrowheads. Click and drag this selected portion of the rectangle to a new location.
Using the
Freeform selection tool,
draw any shape, say a circle. Take the help of the tool.
click on the small arrow between the selection tool icon. Click on the Freeform selection tool from the drop-down list.
Click and drag the mouse to select the area we want to copy. Click and drag the dotted rectangle to a new location. Eraser tool.
The eraser tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing or the color filled in a figure. You can use this tool by clicking and dragging the mouse pointer over the area you wish to erase. You can increase or decrease the size of the eraser using the options in the Size drop-down list. Undo and redo. The undo command allows you to undo the last action. It removes the last change you made to the file. While drawing a picture, if you make a mistake, you can undo it by clicking on the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. You can redo or repeat the last action by clicking the Redo button from the Quick Access toolbar.
Text tool. The text tool is used for inserting text in a picture. Using the text tool, click on Text tool.
Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a I-shaped cursor.
Click and drag the mouse where we want to insert text. Notice that a dotted rectangle appears. This is called a text box. The text we type will appear within this box. Type my drawing using the keyboard. Using text in color.
Typing text in color. Click on the green color in the Colors palette.
Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag the mouse where we want to insert text. The text box appears. Type green color text using the keyboard. Changing the background color of a text box. We can even change the background color of the text box. Click on Text tool.
Select Color 2 and choose a color of your choice, say yellow, from the Colors palette of the tab. Select Opaque in the background group.
Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag to create a text box with the selected background color. Moving a text box. Drag the mouse away from the text box to increase the size. Drag it inwards to decrease the size.
Text tab.
We just learned to change the color of the text, but there are many other ways in which we can change the look of the text in the text box.
These options are found in the Text tab.
Cut and paste. To cut a part of the drawing in MS Paint, select a part of the drawing using the Select tool or Freeform Select tool from the toolbox.
Select Cut option in the clipboard group. The part of the diagram selected is then stored in a temporary folder called Clipboard. You cannot view this. However, you can retrieve the diagram by selecting the Paste option. Click Paste option in the clipboard group. The upper left corner of the drawing area now displays part of the diagram selected earlier. Copy. To get a copy of the selected part of the picture in Paint, follow these steps. Select the part of the drawing that needs to be copied. Click Copy and then Paste option in the clipboard group of the Home tab. The part of the diagram selected is copied at the upper left corner of the drawing area. Select All. The Select All option is used for selecting all the objects that are included in the drawing area. Click Select drop-down list. Select All option in the Image group of the Home tab. The entire drawing area will now be selected. You may now either cut or copy the selected area and paste it onto a different file or a different document.
Clear Selection command.
View tab. The View tab is used to view the various options of Paint. Zoom group. It is used for viewing the picture in the drawing area in different sizes. The Zoom group in the View tab has two options. You may select Zoom In option to magnify the selected picture or part of the picture, or Zoom Out option to see the selected picture or part of the picture in a smaller size. Show or Hide group. The Show or Hide group in the View tab of the Paint window displays the rulers, grid lines and status bar. Ruler. It helps you to view the horizontal and vertical measurements of your picture and in resizing it. Grid lines. It helps you to arrange your diagrams and pictures at appropriate locations in the drawing area of the Paint window. Status bar. It helps you to keep a track of the picture quality and zoom size of the drawing area. Display group. This option displays the picture either in full screen or as a thumbnail. Full screen. This displays the drawing in the full screen mode. To exit from full screen mode, click anywhere on the screen and it takes you back to normal view. Thumbnail. It allows you to see an enlarged picture in a small window. Please mark this area in the image of the View tab while explaining the concepts. Image group. The image group is used for giving variation to the size of an image. Rotate or flip. To rotate or flip the entire picture, click on the drop-down arrow next to Rotate option in the Image group of the Home tab. Choose the desired direction of rotation or flip. To rotate or flip a part of a picture, click on Select in the Image group of the Home tab and select the particular part. Click the drop-down arrow next to Rotate and choose the desired direction of rotation or flip. You can also flip the picture horizontally or vertically. The picture can be rotated in different directions and at different angles. Resize and skew. You can use the resize option to resize or skew the objects or a part of the object in a specific direction by an exact percentage or degrees. Resize and skew dialog box. Select the entire picture or part of the picture to be resized or skewed using Select option in the Image group of the Home tab. Click Resize option in the Image group of the Home tab. The Resize and Skew dialog box appears. In the Resize section, enter the new value for resizing the picture in either the horizontal or vertical box, and the other will be filled in automatically if the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox is selected. In the Skew section, enter a value each in both the horizontal and vertical boxes. Click OK. The picture will be both resized and skewed.